Today we have to learn a chapter name called the Indian Navy. Chapter 41, the name of the chapter Indian Navy. It is in page number 70 in your GK textbook. Let us see the important points in this lesson. Before that, let us learn the three wings of Indian Armed Forces. In India, we have three armed forces. The first one is Indian Army, the next one is Air Force, and third one is Indian Navy. Let us see the emblem that can be used in different armed force of our country. The first one. In this lesson, we are going to identify the name of the ship that is used in our Indian Navy. The first one, DAS is an aircraft carrier. It is an aircraft carrier that was formerly called as Admiral Cook's Cove. Now it is called as after a name of a great Indian king. The answer for this is INS Vikramaditya. Expansion of INS is Indian Navy ship. In short, it is called as INS, Indian Navy ship, Vikramaditya. It is the name of the aircraft carrier that was formerly called as Admiral Kushko. Now it is called by means of a great Indian king, Vikramaditya. Go on to the next one. DAS is a Shivalik class frigate. It is a Shivalik class frigate that is named after one of the constituent ranges of Western Ghats. We are all that well known about Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats. There is a name given after the constituent ranges of Western Ghats. The name of the ship is INS Shayadri. The third one. DAS is an Indian Navy Akulya class nuclear power submarine. I think all are well known about the submarine. It is a ship that can be used under the sea. Okay. So DAS is an Indian Navy Akulya class nuclear powered submarine. Its name occurs in the Indian emblem. So Chakra. In our Indian emblem, we have four-faced line plus a chakra. No. So it can be named after the Indian emblem chakra. Now let us under the important keywords. INS Vikramaditya, it is an aircraft carrier. It is named after a great Indian king. Next one, Shivalik frigate great, that can be named after the ranges of Western Ghats. The name is INS Shayadri. The third one is Akulya class nuclear power. Main important point is it is a submarine and it occurs in the Indian emblem. Go on to the next one. DAS is an example of Sukanya class patrol vessel. It is named after the legendary wife of Satyavan. I think all are well known about the person Satyavan. What's the name of that person's wife? Let us see the answer. INS Savitri. Savitri is the name of the Satyavan's wife. Name is Savitri. So this INS ship, that is Savitri, that can be named after the legendary wife of Satyavan. Next one, it is also a submarine ship. Another type of submarine ship. We already learned one submarine ship. That name is INS Chakra. Let us see the next INS ship. It is also a submarine. It begins with 6-letter word Sindhu, which is a Sanskrit name of the river Indus. By means of the word Indus, in Sanskrit it is called as Sindhu. Let us see the next one. DAS is a type of frigate name after a Hindi word for sword. INS Talwar. Talwar is a Hindi word that refers to the meaning sword. Underline the important keywords for Savitri. It is a Sukanya class patrol after the name of Satyavan's wife. Next one, it is another type of submarine that can be named by means of a river Indus, Sanskrit word. Next one, Hindi word for the meaning sword, INS Talwar. DAS is a Brahmaputra class frigate named after a river that flows through Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. It is a ship that can be named after a river. A river name, it indicates a river name. That river can flow between Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. The answer is INS Bees. On to the next one. Das is the smallest type of warship. It is a warship that is named after the traditional knife used by Gurkha warriors. Gurkha warriors, that is, these persons are called as Nepal, Indian born Nepalese. That person by born they just belongs to the category India, but now they live in Nepal. So Indian born Nepals. That persons used a different type of traditional knife that can be called as Kurki. Kurki is the name that given to the type of warship after the traditional knife used by the Gurkha warriors. This Gurkha warriors is otherwise called as god of fighters. They are called as a god of fighters. So this is the end of this lesson, the Indian Navy. Now underline the important keywords for INSB's Brahmaputra class. It is a river that flows between Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. Next one, it is a warship after the traditional knife used by the Gurkha warriors. Now complete page number 70 with the help of clues I just already given. INS Vikramaditya is an aircraft carrier that can be named after an Indian great king. Next, ranges of Western Ghat named Sayadri. Next one is a submarine ship Chakra that can be named after Indian emblem. Next one, legendary wife of Satyavan, his name is INS Savitri. The fifth one is the Sanskrit name of the river in the Sindhu. Then Hindi meaning for the word sword, Talwar. Next, a river that can flow between the Himachal Pradesh and Punjab, INS Bees. Then by using the name traditional knife used by Gurkha warriors, the INS ship Kurki can be called. On to the next lesson, the story of tennis. Chapter number 50, page number 82. In this lesson, we just learned the history of tennis, how the tennis can be developed. Let us see the history. Tennis is believed to have originated in 12th century in northern France. Where it is originated means in the place of northern France. It is believed to be originated. In which year? In the 12th century. The ball was struck with the palm of the hand. In this game, at first in ancient days, they just played with the ball that can be struck with the help of palm. Okay, palm of our hand. It is called the jeu de paume, which means game of the palm. It was familiar with Louis X and King Charles V. In the 16th century, rackets begins to be used. The 20th century, it is said to be originated, but at first they just used a palm to play the game. But in the 16th century, they used to play with the help of rackets. When a person serves, they usually call the French word tennis. Tennis, which means hold or take. Okay, they just hold or take the rackets with the help of rackets. They just hold or take the ball, so that it is called as tennis. This game being called as tennis, it was popular in France and England. So at first it is originated in northern France, later it becomes popular in England also. The patenting of the lawn mower in 1830 in Britain paved the way for the preparation of modern style grass courts. There are 4 different types of courts that can be used to play the game tennis. I just note it down later. Here in our modern days, we just use only the grass courts that can be paved by patenting of the lawn mower in the year 1830. In 1872, the world first tennis club that can be founded in the place Birmingham. Okay, in this place only they just use the lawn. Now, underline the important keywords for this. The first 3 points: originated in 12th century in northern France. It means the palm of the hand or game of the palm. It is familiar with Louis X and King Charles V. Then in 16th century, they used the rackets. The word tennis, it refers to the French word which means hold or take. It is popular in France and England. Next, in 1872, the world first tennis club that can be held in Birmingham. There only they just use the word lawn tennis. On to the next one. In December 1873, the rules that developed into modern tennis were developed. Okay, at first it was originated in 12th century. Later it became developed in 16th century by means of using rackets. After that, in 1873 only, they just developed the rules for modern tennis game. This led to the certain creation of boxes set with enclosed. In the rules only, they just began to use the net, poles, rackets, and balls. Okay, that can be shown all over the world. The world oldest annual tennis tournament that can be took place in Leamington Lawns Tennis Club in Birmingham in 1874. After 3 years, in 1874, after 3 years means 1877, the All in England Lawn Tennis and Croquet Club held its first championship at Wimbledon in 1877. This is the first ever Wimbledon championship and it is called as the oldest tennis tournament. Then later in 1874, the socialist Mary M. Outerberg laid out the tennis court at Staten Island, New York. The first American National Championship was played in September 1880. This is a very important point. Make it up. The first American National Championship was played in the year 1880 and by the month September. That is another keyword. In December 1873, the rules were developed and world oldest annual tennis tournament placed in Birmingham in 1874. Then All England Lawn Tennis Croquet Club was held in 1877. Next, Mary Ewing Outerberg laid out the tennis court at New York. The first American National Championship was played in September 1880. I already told you there are 4 different types of court that can be used to play the game tennis. The first one is the hard surface. Hard surface means we just use the cement. Next one, grass surface, and third one is a synthetic surface, and fourth one is a clay. These are the 4 different types of court that can be used to play the game tennis. Next, in 1881, the oldest nationwide tennis organization in the world, that is called as the United States Lawn Tennis Association. It is said to be the oldest nationwide tennis organization, but now it is called as United States Tennis Association. Okay. The US Men Single Championship was now called as US Open. It was held in 1881 and Women's Championship was held in 1887. The French Championship began in 1891 and though till 1925 it was open only to the tennis players who belong to the members of the French club. After that it opened to the members all around the world. The Australian Open began in 1905. Let us see the important keywords. Oldest National Tennis Association, it is now called the United States Tennis Association. Then National Wide Men's Single Championship held in the year 1881 and Women's Championship were held in the year 1887. Then the French Championship began in 1891 that can be open to all the people after 1901. Now, with the help of the statement we just learned, let us say the following statements are true or false. If it is true means make a point by means of T and false means you just mark it by F. In the first statement, some tennis term, in fact, even the name of the game itself shows that the sport originated in France. Okay, it's a true statement. Next one, the lawn mower paved the way for the preparation of modern state hard courts. No, it just led to the way for grass courts. Here they just indicate the hard court, so this statement is false. The world first tennis club was founded in 1872 in London. It is a true statement. In 1874, the socialist Mary Ewing Outerberg laid a tennis court in Birmingham. They just indicate it is in New York, but here they just indicated in Birmingham, so it is a false statement. The first US National Women's Championship were held in 1880. Statement is 1887. So, a false statement. Now, let us see the Viscous. Here, the name of the two famous tennis championships, one male and other female. Unscramble the words to find the name. Let us see the first answer, Serena Williams. Next one, the name of the male player, Roger Federer. This person is a Swiss tennis player. That's the end of the session. Thank you, students. Thank you.